Improving lighting in older facilities can present a substantial installation challenge. Upgrading legacy fixtures to Nemalux LED lights improves lighting quality and visual comfort for operators. Nemalux's Top Hat Retrofit adapter upgrades legacy fixtures by using the existing Crouse-Hinds-compatible mounting hood for easier installation and wiring. The JR, MR, and XR series with the pre-installed Top Hat adapter provides maximum versatility to address complex project requirements. Disconnect the power feed and remove the legacy fixture, leaving the existing mounting hood in place. Hang the new Nemalux JR series light assembly on the hinge. Connect wires securely in accordance to local electrical code, and securely close the wiring compartment, ensuring there are no pinch points for a tight seal. Replacing legacy lights with Nemalux LED technology is fast and simple, taking as little as 2 minutes, reducing installation time and maintenance costs. To learn more, visit Nemalux.com.